You have a small business. You do well at managing it and enjoy a stable income. But you start to notice that sales aren't growing and your clients are dwindling. How can you find new clients while keeping in touch with your existing customers? Maybe you'll create buzz with an enticing deal or special offer. But can you get the word out fast about your upcoming deal? Can you inform a large target audience within a short period of time? You go online to search for a solution and find the perfect tool, email marketing. But the more you read about email marketing, the more you begin to see words like CSS, HTML, and SMTP. You realize that email marketing is not as simple as it looks. Getting bogged down with code and technical issues can keep you from sending out your first email newsletter, something you really need to do. Don't you wish email marketing was simple and easy? Well, it can be. Offer solutions for simple and effective email marketing. You'll collect a great list of contacts, put your email text into a professionally designed template, and send out your newsletter in a few easy steps, importing contacts from your various sources within minutes. Do you want to build a great list, but you're not sure which email addresses are valid? After you've created a top-notch mailing list, treat them to a professional email template. Personalize by automatically inserting your contacts' names and either send them emails immediately or schedule them for later. Finally, what good would email marketing be if you couldn't track your results? Atom Park Software offers detailed reports on the efficiency of your email blasts. Compare the results of your campaigns while resting assured that users who find and verify emails, sort mailing lists, create and send email campaigns, and see the results of your work. Get started today.